Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. So my friends, update on AMD Advanced Micro Devices. I don't know if you have seen my previous videos. I am quite bearish on AMD and I will show you why I'm bearish on AMD right now. Don't get me wrong guys, overall we have a super bullish uptrend, but right now the market is overheated and we could see a correction or even something like a market crash. That's why I give you all the updates here to the up and downside price wise. This is of course not financial advice. We have here two options guys. You can always work with chart layouts and drawings, which I honestly prefer, but we also can use indicators to spot potential bear or bull signals or sell and buy signals if you want to say so. What I know for AMD when I research the chart is that we have here something like a main algo supply zone, which means a bearish zone here at 164 US dollar. That does not mean guys that AMD cannot go higher than that. We have here an uptrend channel pattern, which is the main resistance. I also mentioned that AMD has to fill here some open gaps, and one of the open gaps is waiting at 205 US dollar. I just want to tell you that as soon as for example now AMD goes over this price level here in this bearish zone, that this is the moment where the big boys take profits, sell off their positions, maybe even go short until there is a price level where they buy in again. And this is why the market is moving in this kind of waves over and over again. Okay, I want to simulate now here with you with TradingView what is happening right now. When we have a quick look at our indicators, we had here 4th of March 2024, we had here something like, which I call bear attack. Yeah, we have here an orange candle, which is very rare guys, and when AMD printed that orange candle here, you can see the sell-off immediately got initiated. Why do I show you that guys? Let's simulate now here with trading what is going on right now with AMD. So I press play and we watch carefully the price action. Focus here on this orange candle guys. We are here in the weekly chart. Support at our squeeze trigger level here, $133. Bearish resistance, we gapped up, came back, retest, looks good. And this is where we are right now guys. We have now here for the first time since March 2024 a bearish signal here in the indicator. And of course not only in the indicator guys, also here the main algo supply zone, which I said is 164 US dollar. This is not to scare you guys, this is just what I want to share here with you. And so what I think should or could happen right now is, let me switch off for a second here, the indicators. Yeah, we have here one open gap, and I will switch now to the daily chart to make it more easy. So we had this open gap here at $174. This gap has been filled, so we can delete this green line here in the chart. And that means guys, we have here one open gap in the daily chart to the upside, sorry, even two open gaps to the upside. One is waiting at $188, and the last one, the final boss, the final job which the algos have to do, is waiting at $205.60 guys. So in a perfect trading world, we have now again a very bearish signal. It is possible that we see a sell-off incoming for AMD. However guys, the market is still pushing the big stock companies. Yeah, I made an update, by the way, on Patreon. Also, while I'm recording this video here right now, guys, one of my Patreon stocks is squeezing 130%. I made this screenshot in the morning. This stock was up 100%. What is that? I always try to predict short squeezes or breakouts in the market. I cannot give you any financial advice, guys, but this is here what I do on Patreon. I post here my finest selection on breakout and short squeeze stocks, and this ticker here squeezed after my prediction, of course. Yeah, I posted that already here by the end of July. Traded sideways in our algo demand zone, guys, and then here one shakeout attempt, but just a candle wick, and then we have now here in total right now, while I'm recording this video, a 130% squeeze. Also, I made a brand new market update on the S&P 500, also available on Patreon. So if you want to see my content, guys, you can join us here. There are still some slots left here for the full package membership. I have to limit my memberships because we're growing too fast. But if you want to join in, guys, take your chance. Then you get access to all my content here. Short squeeze predictions, also the trading tutorials. So for everybody who want to learn trading, this is the way to go. The link patreon.com/blackbelttrader is also available in the video description. In a perfect trading world, guys, yeah, if I could wish something, or if I, should predict something, what I think should or could happen is that AMD will find support here at $164. We see here a final squeeze attempt, yeah, everybody gets super bullish, everybody talks about squeezes in the market and super bull run, blah, 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 guys. Then we will start to close this gap at $205. And usually, yeah, when this trend channel pattern continues, AMD can even go back to $245. So based on the actual price, we have a quite high potential to see here plus 13% or even plus 35%. I don't know, guys. I don't know. To be honest, I think $205 are possible, but this is a super, super red zone here for AMD. When the price goes in this box, then we see immediately a technical reaction. But you guys, it's really the same. You can see that here in February 2024. Yeah, the stock went up, and then accumulated here. You can see here we have gap, a leg up and came down, leg up, came down, leg up, came down. Here we started to accumulate. That means here the bulls already start to get exhausted. Then we have one gap up, two gap ups, guys. Here again, three gap ups, yeah. When the price is gapping up that quick, this is very dangerous, guys, because you leave down gaps. And of course, this is here to, yeah, create FOMO. And after that, yeah, after we hit here the red zone, the top line of this red zone, the bear stepped in, guys, pulled the rug, and then we had this massive, massive sell-off here. You can see when we just measure that, the price action here from this top price here to the bottom, AMD, guys, we're talking here not about a penny stock. AMD lost 66% of its value before it recovers. So be very careful, guys. Yeah, the market is overheated. There is still some upside potential, in my opinion. I could be totally wrong, right? We could see a massive short squeeze incoming, and then the market stays bullish for the rest of the year and even in 2026. I honestly don't believe that right now, but it's a possible scenario. But I think, guys, that these are the price levels here for AMD, and for especially when you use indicators, and indicators give you these strong signals here. You can see, guys, yeah, we had the same in June 2023, the same signal, and what happened? A massive sell-off came in, guys. Yeah, so this is all I want to show you. This is why I made the update on AMD. I hope that was helpful, guys. As I mentioned before, everything what you see here is based on TradingView. This is the software which I use for all my trades, guys, and I also have my indicators available here in the video description. If you want to get them, they are available for per case. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to check out our Patreon if you want to join in and see my brand new short squeeze and breakout stock predictions. My friends, all the best, great success with all your trades. Thank you for your loyal support, and see you in the next video. Arigato gozaimasu, vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care, bye bye, guys.